Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Well, you know what? I grew up in Chicago, so I'm used to the chilly weather, and apparently some cold weather is on the way. Maybe not Chicago cold, though, right, Ivan?
You've been here a long time. You've
right.
acclimated. You're gonna feel cold even with 50s, like a lot of us here. And you know, that is the coldest temperatures we've had since last February. So you know, it's a long time coming, but it's about time. We're in the 70s right now. Key West still sitting at 81 with an east wind, but we're going to get a north wind coming in, and that's going to drag in some much cooler temperatures coming up for, I mean, as soon as Thursday, but the real cold stuff doesn't get here until Thursday night. And of course, we got to get through a front first that comes in and brings the cold air, but out ahead of it, some showers and thunderstorms. That will set the stage on Wednesday, and that is what's going to really bring in a new season here across South Florida. Next Weather Radar Network is quiet right now in the 70s. This is comfortable, and the humidity's comfortable as well. So it's not like, you know, we're complaining about it, but it is just going to get a lot cooler and a lot drier, and the kind of humidity where you know, your lips start getting chapped here. That is a huge drop in the jet stream. That's a big trough across the eastern seaboard, and that cold air finally make it here. A lot of the fronts that we've gotten so far this season have dropped the humidity a little bit, made it comfortable, but this one really is going to bottom out temperatures. But for the next couple of days, we're still holding steady, mostly dry. In fact, even a little bit warmer than today. I think we'll start increasing temperatures. That happens ahead of a front. So Wednesday, despite the showers and the thunderstorms, and before this starts, I think we'll manage mid-80s through the afternoon, and then we get wet on Wednesday afternoon, but it's a one-day, you know, a stormy day, and then we'll be done with that. Showers and storms will be gone, and then the cooler and drier air begins to move in. This is the way it'll look like on that Next Weather rain tracker. Tomorrow, a benign day, just a few patchy clouds, a couple of isolated showers would be about it. Here comes the front. You can already see the showers and storms. Not expecting severe weather here, but some gusty winds, definitely with some of the embedded thunderstorms as that line begins to cross in across South Florida here by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon. And again, this will change as far as the timing, but you get the general sense of the wet weather that's going to be coming in, and then the clearing that will follow that with the cool and drier air. In the tropics, nothing to talk about here. Finally, nothing to talk about, and we're away, about a week away from the end of hurricane season. I'm not expecting anything, not just over the next 7 days, that's from the Hurricane Center, but through November 30th. So we're looking good. This is the way we're going to wake up on Friday, just showing you the preview of the cooler temperatures here. So we're looking at low to even to mid 50s, even some low 50s across the interior, and then the Keys will stay in the 60s for overnight temperatures. But again, that's still ways away, a few days away for now. It is going to be a warm day again for tomorrow, 82, and we'll peak with the heat on Wednesday with 85. There are the showers and thunderstorms, and then clearing out nicely. This is an extended dry and cool period for us here beginning on Friday and continuing through the upcoming weekend. A stellar weekend. Blue skies aplenty with temperatures around 75, 77, and those overnight lows staying in the 50s, Jim.
I like the sound of most of that. Ivan, thank you.